Alright, welcome back to another product review. Today we're going to be looking at the Milwaukee M12 two-tool combo kit, which includes this sander and this multi-tool. Let's turn it around real quick. Those are in two different languages. What I meant to say was, oh no, and this is not a sander. I didn't even know what I bought. Apparently this is a Jigsaw and a multi-tool. So Jigsaw multi-tool. It's using the M12 batteries, so it's the smaller batteries. So let's see what is in here. I'm just buying stuff I don't even know what it is. Alright, so it is in this Milwaukee tool bag. And in the tool bag we have one of these. Like I've shown in previous videos, it just kind of shows you all the different tools that Milwaukee has. A lot of great tools out there. We have an operator manual for the Jigsaw, not the sander, for the Jigsaw. An operator manual for the multi-tool. And an operator manual for the battery charger. Now this battery charger looks a little bit different than the other battery chargers. We'll take that part out now. This battery charger, unlike ones that you may be used to, or I'll show you just the difference. This battery charger is not included in this kit. This is from a separate kit. But this battery charger has a slot for the M12 and for the M18. Unlike this one, just has a slot for the M12 battery. I've never personally used this type of charger. I've only ever used the other type. But I don't know, maybe this one charges the M12s better. I don't know. And let's see. We have the multi-tool. Just your kind of, we'll look into that a little bit more, but multi-tool, it's got a switch on the back. It's got some switches here, I'm guessing to increase speed there. And then we have the Jigsaw over here. I didn't even know what I was buying. So, let's see. Also included in the kit is this piece for the multi-tool. An Allen wrench. It looks like this type I might be able to just slide in just like that. There are, yeah, that one I was just able to slide right in there. I'm going to show you another type that doesn't give you that option. Here's another type that could go on there, but this one you'd have to completely remove. This one was not included. I kind of like this type better, where you can just kind of loosen it a little bit and then just fit it in there. batteries. It includes 2 of the M12 batteries. Battery there. Battery there. Oops. I always thought these batteries kind of looked funny. I don't know. Someone in the comments tell me what you think that looks like. Alright. So, with the battery plugged in, I don't know how well you can see that, but it just kind of does an oscillating type motion like that. There's lots of different things that you could put on this. I think it actually includes some others. If you're able to put on little sanders, so you could do sanding, you could do like cutting. This is great for like drywall. If you're going to be putting in a new outlet or something, you just cut the drywall, put in the new box. See, this was included. It's got different sanders, different grit on there. Just kind of put that on there like that. This one right here, unlike this one, you are going to have to remove that completely and put that on. We could just see what that looks like real quick. I don't want to make this too long of a video, but I want you guys to kind of see exactly how all this works. Oh, I put the sandpaper on there a little too soon. So it just kind of clicks in like that. That looks funny. Like that. I kind of feel like it should be pointing at the top. There we go. Alright, and then just like that. Now the sander. It's kind of a handy tool to have. And then over here, we of course have a jigsaw, not a sander. We do have a sander though. This does do sanding, so I wasn't 100% incorrect when I said this had a sander. I do not have a blade to kind of demonstrate this, but looks like you just push this over like that, put in the jigsaw blade right there, just does that reciprocating motion, just cut into whatever you're working on right there. I'm not sure if, oh, okay, looks like you can change the angles. I do have dogs and they seem to be barking. I'm sure many of you out there have dogs as well, so I think you'll understand. Yeah, so there you have it. With both of these, I'm not sure if these are brushless. It's my understanding that when a Milwaukee product is brushless, it'll say either like M18 fuel, or maybe it'll say M12 fuel, or it'll say brushless on it. But it's also my understanding that most Milwaukee products are brushless. I'm not sure if anyone in the comments section can clear that up for us. So I'm not sure. I'm not sure if this is brushless or not, but I've been very happy with all the Milwaukee products that I bought, and I'm sure that I will be happy with both of these. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you built with these, if you have these products, and I will see you in the next video.